guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be showing, or I will be showing you a quick tour of my office. This is for me to celebrate my second year with the company, and since I just turned 300 bananas, I'm going to share with you a little bit of my personal life. So let's go ahead and silipin natin ang office ko. And when I joined the company, this used to be my office, or our office. We already moved to another floor, but we've been here for like siguro 3 years, or no, yeah, 3 years, but I just joined 2 years ago, so we've been here for 3 years. Yeah. So this is a space. Right now it's under construction. Actually, the whole building is under construction, and our floor is done. This floor is not done yet, but I think it's going to be finished probably in a month or two. So I'm just gonna show you around here. So there, the construction is really going on. So here's sa baba, I'm just gonna make you see it. We have offices in the basement, we own that too. And the other one here. And there's another office down there that we also own in this building. So we're gonna go up here. This is the third floor. This is my space. This is where my office is at. You can see there's still construction going on here. We're still deciding if we're going to get this space or not, but this is my office. Welcome to my office. So here, you can't see anything aside from office supplies. It's, barely new. We moved here in March 11. And probably a week or two after, we got locked down. So nobody is here because they're all working from home, except Grace. She had some errands and she went to the bank today, so she's here. So let's get inside where I usually get things done. Where my counterpart Jana finishes her job and does her work. This is my table. It's my laptop, absolutely. It's a bit cluttered, but it is what it is. But I have my usual stuff there, my phone, the computer, of course, water, and a mirror. So this is my temperature check. So we do check our temperature. This is the BP app that we use, so we have that available. Now let's go to the meeting room. This is where the meetings are done. Conferences, coaching sessions, calibrations. So there. It's a pretty small office, guys, but it just fits us perfect. There are some basics, which is the ref, utensils, the oven, sanitizers. This is where we wash our dishes, and water. And that ends my office tour. Thank you so much for watching. Please enjoy the rest of my videos. For those who have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe in my channel. Like, share, and leave a comment. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye!